Hello children, welcome to my English class. Children, before going to the topic, we will do some riddles and try to solve it. Let's on. Question number 1. I always run but never walk. What am I? 1. Question number 1. I always run but never walk. What am I? Who can say? Yes. Answer is river. Question number 2. What kind of tree can you carry in your hand? Yes, again. What kind of tree can you carry in your hand? Who can say? Yes. Answer is a palm tree. Question number 3. What is the smallest room in the world? What is the smallest room in the world? Who can say? Yes, answer is mushroom. Children, question number 4. I have 6 faces. Children, I have 6 faces and 21 eyes, but cannot see. What am I? I have 6 faces and 21 eyes, but cannot see. What am I? Who can say? Yes, answer is dice. Children, let's recite the poem again. Silver. Slowly, silently, now the moon walks the night in her silver sun. This way and that, she peers and sees silver fruit upon silver trees. One by one, the casmans catch her beams beneath the silvery thatch. Cast in his canal like a log, with pass of silver slips the dug. From their shadowy coat, the white breast peep on doves in a silver feathered sleep. A harvest mouse goes scampering by, with a silver class and a silver eye. And moveless fish in the water gleam by silver reeds in a silver stream. Today, now we will do some comprehension questions. Question number 1. Casement is an old word for window, and beneath is an old word for below. Where are the windows? Who can say? Yes, the answer is the windows are beneath the silvery thatch. Question number 2. Where does the dog sleep? Who can say? Yes, the dog sleeps in its kennel? Answer is question number 3. The dog sleep like a log. A piece of word. What does this tell about the dog's sleep? Who can say? Yes, the answer is answer is this expression shows that the dog is in a deep sleep. It is seen like a log is lying. Question number 4. Why do its paws look silvery? Who can say? Yes, answer is answer is the moonlight falls on the paws of the dog. They look silvery. Children, question number 5. Where does the dove sleep? Who can say? Yes, answer is the dove sleeps in its shadowy coat. Question number 6. The breast of the dove peeps out. Silver feathered sleep, the feather looks silvery. What about the head of the dove? Can you think how the dove is sleeping? Who can say? Yes, answer is The dove in its shadowy coat sleeps keeping in its feathered out. Its head is hidden inside its feather. Next, question number 7. Who goes scampering by? Who can say? Yes, answer is the mouse goes scampering by. Children, question number 8. Everyone is asleep. Why is the mouse awake? Who can say? Yes. Answer is the mouse is awake because the mouse is awake because the mouse collects its food in the moonlit night. Question number 9. Why does the fish gleam? Who can say? Yes, the answer is the fish gleams because the fish gleams because the moonlight falls on the moveless fish. Next question, question number 10. Where is the fish? Who can say? Yes, the answer is answer is the fish is in the stream water. Question number 11. When everyone is asleep, why is the poet awake? Who can say? Yes, the answer is the poet is awake because the poet is awake because the poet awakes because the poet wants to watch the natural beauty in the moonlit night. Fill in the blanks from the alternative given. Question number 1. The moonlight first falls on dash. Dog, dove, fish, tree. Answer is tree. The moonlight first falls on tree. Question number 2. At last the moonlight falls on dash. Who can say? Yes. Fruits, fish, dog, dove. Who can say? Yes. Answer is fish. Question number 3. Round the word which is on odd one out. Question number 1. Window, thatch, tree, dog. Which one is odd out? Yes, answer is dog. Question number 2. Fish, dove, mouse, fruit. Who can say? Yes, answer is fruit. This one is odd. Match items under A with items under B. Fish, mouse, dove. Items under B. In silver feathered sleep by silver reeds in silver stream with a silver class and silver eye. Match it. Fish by silver reeds in silver stream. Next, mouse. With a silver class and silver eye. Next, dove. Dove in silver feathered sleep. You have already matched items under A with the items under B. Now write 3 sentences joining the items with is. The first one is done for you. Question number 1. The fish is by silver reeds in silver stream. Similarly, the mouse is with a silver class and a silver eye. Similarly, the dove is in silver feathered sleep. Children, solve the following crossword puzzles. Use clues given. Down, up, down. Number 1. In silver feathered sleep. C. D-O-V-E. Dove. Number 2. Move less. To see the face. Number 3. Like a log. See, down. Number 3. Dog. Across. one end to other end. Number 4. Goes scampering by. Answer is mouse. Children, you can summarize the poem using only one type of sentence. Write as many sentences of this type as you can. The first one is done for you using the word tree given in the bracket. Trees, fruits, window, dog, dove, mouse, stream. Number 1 is done for you. The moonlight falls on the trees and they look silvery. Similarly, number 2, the moonlight falls on the fruits and they look silvery. Number 3, the moonlight falls on the window and it looks silvery. Similarly, number 4, the moonlight falls on the paws of the dog and they look silvery. Similarly, number 5, the moonlight falls on the breast of the dove and it looks silvery. Number 6, similarly, the moonlight falls on the claws of the mouse and they look silvery. Number 7, similarly, the moonlight falls on the stream water and it looks silvery. Children, what we have learned today? We have learned some post-reading activities today. Thank you, children. Bye-bye.